Hello friends on the internet, welcome to a new episode of my animal show. I feel like it's been a really long time since I posted one of these videos, so I have a bunch of great videos for you. I have a Vine, and well, you know what, I'm just gonna start off by showing you the Vine because I feel like it's a good way to ease into the cuteness. The first video that I have for you is a dog eating ice cream. There's really nothing else to say about the video except that it's cute. Now this next video, the quality of the video sucks, but it was such a cute video I had to show you guys. This cat is barking like a dog until he realizes that his owner, or whoever, is videoing him, and then the cat starts to meow. Now this next video has like 7 million views, but I never saw the video before. I don't know where I've been, I don't know how I missed it. Apparently I haven't been Googling cat and vacuum cleaners. I don't... Alright, now this next video I wanted to save the best for last. It's a monkey using a vending machine. I'm not gonna put the whole clip here, just click and watch it because it's seriously, it's hilarious. Right. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see some more of my animal shows, you could watch them here. Or if you would like to see some random vlogs, you can watch them over here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.